Also, a quick update on RKT. It did close on day highs. It's still on week lows and obviously month lows and 3-month lows, and it's kind of retesting former support on the 1874 level. You know, what actually rebounded off recently. I'm gonna be doing a TA for RKT, and I'll be uploading that to my YouTube pretty soon. But yeah, currently I'm down about 15% or almost like around 10,000 bucks. Like I said, I'm going to be holding. The earnings report is going to be next Tuesday, I believe, or next Monday, the 10th. I think that's going to be on Tuesday or Wednesday or Monday. I don't know, one of those days for next week. There are, like I said before, there are rumors that RKT Auto or Rocket Auto is going to be announced during the Q3 earnings call, which I'm pretty excited about, and I hope that actually, you know, begins like a pretty solid rally. I do think we are going to go up from here, up until earnings report. I don't think we're going to be moving all that much. I do think we're going to be kind of hanging out around the, you know, the $20-ish level, like around earnings. If it's absolutely amazing, I do think we'll go back up to like the $23 level, and, you know, maybe even, yeah, I don't know. I think we might stick around the 23, 25, but I don't have a lot of faith that this will, you know, that this will pass the $20 level before earnings. I really hope it does, but just kind of looking at how RKT has been moving recently, I do think that we'll kind of consolidate around this price range up until earnings, and then earnings, if earnings is good, we might blow up. If earnings is kind of like it's gonna stay around these levels, and I'm probably just gonna be keep selling calls for, you know, until the next earnings report. But, you know, you guys are asking me if I'm thinking about pulling out of this position. I'm not. Like I said, I mean, I know there's a lot of, I can probably put this into Neo and probably swing trade, you know, 5% every other day and stuff. But, you know, I don't want to pull out of RKT and then, you know, and then like moonshots. You know, it's a company that I really believe in. I do like RKT a lot, and I'm going to be keeping this position for a very long time. But yeah, just a quick update on RKT, my position, and what I think is going to happen before earnings.